Omni Mount Washington is a stunning resort. It was built between 1900 and 1902, and it's located in the heart of New Hampshire's White Mountains. It offers stunning views of Mount Washington and the lush New Hampshire landscape. When you enter the resort's driveway, you're really blown away by the scope of this hotel. It's just gorgeous. It offers 269 guest rooms and suites, including an updated presidential wing where we stayed. The presidential wing was added in 2021. No, this is not where The Shining was filmed, but it is reminiscent of it. It's also not the hotel from Somewhere in Time, but it reminds me a little of that one too. As you can see, the views here are outstanding. It's a great place to relax and unwind if you need to get away from it all. The historic ambiance is so nice, and this is summertime that you're seeing right now. We visited in June into July, like the end of June into July, so you can imagine in fall and winter. Beautiful, isn't it? There's also a cute little area downstairs here called Stickney Street. It features their shops, a real post office, a game room, a Prohibition-era cave bar, and a restaurant called Stickney's. That was also their indoor pool that you saw there. There's so much to see and explore here. It's just gorgeous. Look at the mountains. It was chilly in June, believe it or not, 50s and 60s. And look at this. Cue the kite. There it goes. I don't know that, man, so thank you for making that into my video. Just a little word about the decor too. They tried to keep it authentic. There's the outdoor pool area, beautiful, right? There's conference areas. This is the cave bar. That's a Prohibition era bar. Prices on the drinks are pricey, but you know, that's how it goes. This is the presidential wing where we stayed. You could tell that the rooms are updated. They're gorgeous, very large, at least the one we were in. Some of the rooms have balconies, but ours did not. It's a bit of a walk from the main part of the hotel and a short elevator ride, all indoors, so you don't have to worry about changing buildings outside or anything. The bathroom is beautiful, as you could see. There was this standalone tub, and they even gave us bath salts to add to it, which was nice. There was a large stand-in shower, too. Views here are gorgeous. There's the kiddie pool and the other outdoor pool that you can see from here. And you can see some of the balconies there too. Just beautiful. The presidential wing also comes with a complimentary lounge with continental breakfast and refreshments. However, we were not permitted to enter this lounge since I won our overnight stay. I thought that was kind of a bummer. So sorry, I can't tell you anything about that lounge or the offerings there. The hotel offers so many beautiful nature trails. There's a horse stable nearby that you can walk to. You can book horseback riding or a carriage ride. You can explore with your loved ones. Even my teenager enjoyed this trip. It was really amazing to reconnect and to see all the sights in New Hampshire that we had never seen before. We made a reservation at the 1902 restaurant. It was amazing. It's expensive in this restaurant, but you get what you pay for. The food was incredible. We also ate at Stickney's Pub, which was delicious. Also expensive, but at least the food was good. There's 5 restaurants and bars on site and one within walking distance at Breton Arms Inn. If you want to read more about our stay, please check out my blog, thejerseymama.com. Thanks for watching, and thank you to the Omni for our overnight stay.